Tired of your project budgets looking like a Jackson Pollock painting? Let's wrangle that financial chaos by linking Clockify time tracking directly into your Trello workflow. First, ensure you have the Clockify PowerUp enabled within your Trello board. Head over to your board's menu, click on PowerUps, and search for Clockify. Once you find it, simply click Add to enable the integration. Now, open a Trello card that represents a specific task. You should see a Clockify button appear within the card. Click this button to either start a new timer directly linked to this card or to select an existing time entry and associate it with the task. With your time now meticulously tracked and linked to Trello tasks, jump over to Clockify's reporting section here. You can generate detailed cost reports, filtering by project, user, and even specific Trello labels or lists to get a granular view of your project expenses. Don't forget to set hourly rates for each team member in Clockify. This is crucial for accurate cost calculation in your reports. You can find this setting within the workspace settings under users. Enter the appropriate hourly rate for each user and save your changes. Finally, consider using Trello's custom fields to display key budget information directly on your cards. You can manually input data pulled from Clockify reports, such as estimated versus actual costs, allowing for real-time monitoring of your project's financial health. Now go forth and conquer your budget.